Adugo. Now we'll talk about orchard plantation, how to take care of it, what all the difficulties come, then how to repot it. I am reporting in a different way, but individual plantation can be done in a different way. Usually orchards comes in such kind of a containers. The reason behind this is ventilation. The root should get ventilated, then only the growth of orchid is confirmed. It means the most important parameter for orchid grower is the root should be getting a maximum ventilation rather than maximum soil mix or the contain and everything. So how do we make it? It should get a nutrient. Usually these plants grow on a branches of a tree where there is no soil. They get attached. This roots will absorb the nutrients from the root from the existing plant wherever it is getting planted. But we would like to get this plant into our room. That's the reason we have to create an atmosphere which is similar to it. We cannot give an exact position. That's the reason what I have made is any pot. I'm taking a bigger one because I'm going to plant at least 5 to 6 plants orchid in it, so that the roots are developed, more stems will come out of it, and more blooming will happen in the orchid. Usually orchid blooms 2 to 3 times in a year, and if you follow a method, definitely it can bloom more than 5 to 6 times, and each blooming will stay for at least 1 or 2 months, so that all the time you have an orchid which is blooming all the time, 12 months in a year. To make sure, this is charcoal which is once again porous in nature and it holds water, but it will not be sloggy, but it will be moist, so that we are making sure that my plant has a roots development. They will grow. The roots always try to find out water or the nutrient supports in the surrounding area. This is the way we make the roots come attracted towards it. So what are the things we're going to put it on the top of it? The first and foremost thing is make sure we add baking soda. The first layer after the charcoal is, this is a wood charcoal. Take a 2 spoons of a baking soda, just spray it on the top of it. Don't bake it too much. Second thing is, what we are going to use is salt, sugar, sugar. Chicken is there. This is Epsom salt. This is also the same quantity. I'm just spreading over it. I'm spreading on this because whenever we water it, this gets diluted, absorbed by the charcoal, and it will be there for the time. Then afterwards, to keep this dampened, usually people prefer to add this kind of a material, which is a cocoa shells, cut into pieces, treated well so that the bacteria and other things will be removed, and this is totally soaked into a water where the baking soda is there, as well as Epsom salt is there, and some other ingredients required. Seaweed is also included in this, and almost 6 hours I soaked all these things. This will create dampness on it. So I'm just going on putting on it, not much of it. So we have created an atmosphere where roots get attracted, they go deep into it. In the process, see, totally it is a dried up. Nothing is left out. It's only because the nutrients were not available. Such kind of a things will be removed, thrown away. Now, this part, make sure there is no dried stems. This will be removed completely, then put it across in the plant. Just take this, put on the top of it. Make sure all the roots are inside. No root is hanging outside. Similarly, this, you can see the puppy coming out of it, because the usual practice that we do is watering them. We have 2 new stems coming out of it because of the reason. Go on putting in this. Don't add anything on the top of it. Make sure it is supported. It stays comfortably in the plant container. So we can plant at least 5 to 6 in it. Because I have many plants, I can put it. If in your case, take a small pot, prepare in this way, put all these things, keep it in any corner, or you can put it in the balcony, or no balcony, because it cannot withstand the weather, wind. Put it like this. So you are exposing totally all the roots to the air. So the ventilation is proper. There is no necessity of a side ventilation. And you are making the lower bottom, which is rich with requirement of the plants, and they sit in it. The roots automatically get settled into those things. This process will definitely give a result. New stakes will come, new blooming will come. You can put, don't make it crowded. Arrange it in such a way that it looks better and it is comfortable. You can combine together, tie it out, and put some supporting stuff beside it, which will support ventilation. It should not block the ventilation. In this way, we can take care of the plant. Whenever you see any leaves bending downwards, it means they need water. Whenever you see any such kind of a things on the stem, dried one, remove it as early as possible, so that the ventilation happens, the growth is happening, and it is going to get complete support, natural support to grow better and have a healthy blooming in a regular period without waiting for 2 months or 3 months. This is how I do it, and we are expecting this particular orchid is Dendronium. There are about 7 different varieties are available. All the varieties will be introduced very shortly. First I'll study them, understand them, then afterwards I would like to give it to people who are interested, they can buy it. There are n number of things which have already done it. पीछे के दिखा देना उधर का जो बना है. In this way we can create our own stuffs. Only orchid. Come back. So any suggestions or any other queries that you have, can contact me on 9699902966, or you can be in our group, WhatsApp group. Put your images, I can support you, guide you, so that you can take care of the orchid, and your orchid will never die. This will go on growing, because one after the other, because it has a built-in damage management facility in orchid. If you cut one stem, automatically the new shoots will be generated. That is the nature of the orchids. So there is no question of dying of orchid unless and until you force them to die. You put into a condition where nothing is available. That condition only orchid can die. Otherwise, orchid can survive to generation without any difficulties. Thank you very much. Be in touch.